this tutorial po, I will teach you how to set up and install VMware. So first po, ano nga po ang VMware? VMware is developed by, sorry for my incorrect pronunciation, Diane Green, Mendel Rosenblum, Edward Bunyon, Scott Devine, and Edward Wang. It is a software or tool that we use to run virtual machines on a physical computer. So, discuss natin ang pros and cons ng VMware. So, first things first is the pros. VMware minimize or eliminate downtime. It also increase IT productivity and efficiency. And also, it can run multiple instances of OS types like Windows, Linux, or Ubuntu. And cons are performance can degrade if necessary equipment has not been allocated. Running VMs or virtual machines simultaneously requires more hardware resources. Lastly is it can be complex or difficult to learn at first. So, ayan po ang pros and cons ng VMware. So, ituturo ko na po sa inyo paano mag-download install ng VMware. Open lang po natin ng ating browser. For me, I use Edge. Search for VMware download. Click po natin yung first na result sa Google. And scroll down lang po. Ito po yung site ng VMware, official site. Scroll down lang po and click the download now for Windows OS. And save. Hintayin lang po natin mag-download. And ayan, tapos na po ating download ng software natin. Click lang po natin yung installer para i-set up po natin yung VMware at ma-install. Wait lang po natin mag-open. Ayan, ito po yung installer natin. Next lang po natin, check natin yung terms in the license agreement. Next lang din po. Next. Install. Ganun lang po kasadaling mag-install ng VMware.
Tingnan po natin.
Finish. Ayan, tapos na po mag-install nating VMware. Open po natin VMware Workstation 17 Player. Ayan po, pagka na-open po, ito po yung unang lalabas, unang bubungan po sa atin sa VMware natin, which is wala pa pong laman, wala pa pong mga virtual machine, since clean install po ang ginawa natin. Ayan po, mamaya po sa next tutorial, ayan po, magagamit po natin yung mga yan. Create new virtual machine, open virtual machine. Tapos, kung may license naman po kayo, is mag-upgrade na po kayo sa Pro or input nyo na po yung license dito. So, yun lang po for this tutorial. Thank you.